In the glittering pantheon of human achievement, the Nobel Prize stands as the ultimate seal of immortality. Every October, the world holds its breath as the Swedish Academy crowns the masters of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and peace. Yet, for over a century, a glaring void has haunted this prestigious lineup. While we celebrate the architects of the atomic model, the queen of the sciences, mathematics, remains conspicuously absent. It is the language of the universe and the foundation of every skyscraper, yet it has no Nobel to call its own. The reason is a cocktail of historical pragmatism, personal preference, and a stubborn urban legend that refuses to die. To understand why, one must look at the man behind the money, Alfred Nobel. A prolific inventor and a ruthless industrialist, Nobel was a man of action. He held 355 patents, the most famous being dynamite. In 1895, when drafting his final will, he wasn't looking to reward pure curiosity. He wanted to fund practical breakthroughs. To Nobel, mathematics was an abstract tool, a means to an end rather than an end in itself. He saw value in the bridge built by the engineer, but ivory tower theorems seemed too far removed from industrial progress. Beyond practicality, there is the matter of his personal tastes. He was a man of the physical sciences and a devotee of literature. He didn't use advanced calculus to invent dynamite, and he didn't find emotional resonance in equations. Furthermore, a prestigious mathematics prize already existed in Sweden, established by King Oscar II. Nobel likely saw no reason to duplicate efforts or compete with the crown for the same pool of scholars. However, history rarely settles for practicality. For decades, a juicy rumor has circulated, a bitter romantic rivalry. The story goes that Nobel's mistress had an affair with the prominent mathematician Gösta Mittag-Leffler. To ensure Mittag-Leffler would never win his money, Nobel allegedly struck the field from his will. It is a cinematic tale of revenge, but it is entirely false. Alfred Nobel never married, and there is zero historical evidence of such an entanglement. The vacuum created by Nobel's omission eventually led to the creation of the Fields Medal in 1936. Often dubbed the Nobel of Math, it is only awarded every 4 years to mathematicians under the age of 40. In 2003, the Norwegian government established the Abel Prize as the true structural equivalent to the Nobel. Mathematics doesn't need a gold medal to prove its worth. Its prizes are found in the very laws of physics. While the Nobel ceremony continues without them, mathematicians provide the logic that makes the rest of the sciences possible. If you enjoy deep dive documentaries, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Talking Tech, so you never miss what's shaping the future.